Good morning students. In the last class we have learnt about the germination, right? So I have given you an activity. Hope you all done that. If you have completed, send that in our school WhatsApp number. Today we are going to see about the stages of germination. See here. Here the seed that gets the needed amount of warmth, air and water, what happens? It starts to germinate, right? See here, this is a cotyledon. The center part is the embryo. Through this embryo, the small plant that starts to grow, and this part is called radicle and the upper part is called plumule. Here, when the seed gets the proper water, what happens? The seed coat that splits. Then here the radicle that absorbs the water and it starts to grow downwards. That is the root part of a tiny plant. The next one is plumule. The plumule that grows into a stem and it it connected to the leaves and it goes upwards to the soil. Let's see the stages of germination in a bean seed. You can see in this picture the cotyledon that remains to the shoot system, and from there it turns into green color. You know why? They are preparing food for the small tiny plant. Here the roots that goes down and it becomes bigger, and the roots that starts to absorb the water and minerals from the soil, and from the cotyledon the new leaves that come up and the new leaves that starts to prepare food for the plant. So these are all the three important points that you have to keep it in your mind. The first one, the seed germinates, the root that goes down into the soil. Second one, the shoot that grows upwards towards the light. And third one, the root gets bigger, the new leaves grown and on the shoot. So these are all the three important points that you have to remember. For all the dicot plant, the cotyledon that remains to the shoot system. Let's see what are the important things that seedling need. The first one is water, warmth, air, sunlight and fertile soil. If any of these things are absent for the seedling, what happens? It affects the growth of the seedling. Let's see some of the interesting facts of a seed. The first one, some plants like ferns, they do not reproduce seed. The second one, some seeds they need light to grow and some needs darkness. Third one, animals often eat seeds. So the seeds come out in the animal poop, they drop down to the ground and they starts to become a new plant. And next one is cotyledons are actually not a true leaves, but they prepare food for the plant. Let's get into an activity. Plant a bean seed into the soil and observe the recordings by day. You have to mention all your recordings and observation with a proper diagram in your science notebook. So see you all in the next class. Take care. Bye.